Actual to responder open frequency. There is an emergency situation at the power plant. Repeat. Emergency situation at the power plant. Brownouts intensifying rapidly. Hostile contact sighted.
We need everyone to gain access to the plant and fix what's wrong in there ASAP. We're facing total regional collapse here. Thousands of lives will be lost if you can't get this under control. But you've got to make sure you're not heading in there unprepared. We've got intel on weapons and gear at several locations around the plant. We'll share more info when somebody's near. Please, hurry.
Break. Remote security locks are active at the power plant and require a manual override to disengage. 2 overrides are in your area, and activating either one will unlock the plant's outer gate. Stand by for locations on these 2 overrides.
What kind of trouble I can stir up today?
Somebody's at the church. Listen, it's gonna be rough inside, but if you can get into the attic, we have solid intel on gear up there that you'll need for the power plant. Get in and secure what you can. Responders near the radio station. We had a team there coordinating emergency broadcasts, but they've gone silent. They had survival equipment with them. Do what you can to secure it for our mission at the power plant.
I'm on the fuses here. Sticking my nose in these fuses. What's going on with these fuses? I'm on these wires! I'ma deal with this. I got this here.
Responders near the lookout tower. Scouts have seen movement up there. If anyone nearby can go up and see the ranger, I'm sure he'd spare some gear.
CRC actual. Reports indicate on-site responders have accessed the church attic. Ground team, secure equipment, then withdraw.
Grabbing shotgun shells.
But today is not a normal Sunday. I wanted to tell you all where we're at, why we're here. To me, the faith, they match up. They line up perfectly.
Grabbing some
Everything that's happening, it's like in Revelation. Do we not have all 4 horsemen on the planet right now? Do we not have war, conquest, famine, and death stalking our world? We were warned. We were told about all of this, and we didn't do enough to fight it.
all possible means of broadcast running. Gather up whatever gear's left and move forward.
Two-handed axe there.
Responders near that sluice gate, listen up. The gates are closed, the power is out, and something's not right. Do what you can to open the gates and you'll be able to access the upper-level storage room. There's important equipment inside.
Sticking my nose in these fuses.
Replacing the fuse.
On the fuse.
Switching out the fuses.
Just gonna reload.
Reloading real quick.
Gonna load this
Seeing to the fuses.
gun.
Responders, reach the lookout tower. Been a little while since we've heard from the ranger. Take whatever you can spare and keep moving.
Cover on me while I heal! Healing! Cover me! Cover me! Healing!
Reloading this!
Healing!
Reloading. Gonna heal real quick. I'm healing. Cover me. Taking a look at these wires. Give me cover. I gotta heal.
I'll work on sealing.
Sealing this shit.
Sealing this up.
Hold on.
CRC Actual, confirming reports of responders opening the sluice gate. Ground team, secure equipment and continue.
Got right. I got
Max fully stocked. Locked and loaded.
I'm reloading this. I'm reloading!
CRC Actual update. The ranger station has been barricaded. Responders, you'll be able to access the ranger's equipment cache if you can enter the building and restore comms. CRC Actual to Responder Open Channel. Intel indicates the farmhouse likely contains survival equipment. Recommend investigation and retrieval.
Let's get this journey going.
CRC Actual update. Responders, we have intel on an equipment cache available at the sawmill. Attempt recovery if possible.
Sticking my nose in these fuses. What's going on with these fuses?
CRC Actual update. The ranger station comms are restored and the security room is now open. Nearby responders, procure mission-critical equipment, then move out.
Flashback blues of all those flags.
Well done restoring power at the farmhouse. There was a county-wide evacuation order, but no matter how hard you try, some folks won't budge. Now take what you need and get out of there.
Override activated. Ground team, proceed to the plant's gate, open it, and enter.
Wait a sec, I'm reloading. Got the handgun round. Taking handgun rounds!
Beware, the power plant's west gate has been opened. Move in, carefully.
Reloading!
Intel's sketchy about the field hospital. But we do know that Hera doctors were gathering some data about changes to the virus. We don't want to lose that data. So get the power back on and upload whatever they had to our servers. Make sure to check their stash too.
Break. Further progress into the plant will be impeded by lockdown. Locate the security chief and acquire his access codes, then proceed to a security panel.
Nice work on your guys. Terrible what happened there.
I gotta
At
reload!
least you can get to the gear left behind.
Look out! Healing! I got the wiring!
Security codes acquired. Responders, take them to an access point to lift the lockdown.
Got some handgun rounds! I'll see to it! Everyone
Near
relax!
Gate,
It's under
power plant
control!
lockdown has been disabled. All entrances now accessible. CRC actual update. Responders have entered the plant. Remaining
How hard can
responders
it
priority
be?
1. Gain access to the facility immediately. Break. The power plant's cooling tower is damaged and in need of
Trying
repair.
not to zap myself with these fuses!
Ash farm. The power plant stacker reclaimer is damaged. Responders, head there ASAP and make repairs.
Gotta load this up. I done it, of course. I'm reloading.
Data from the Hurricanes hospitals come through. Well done. We need to understand what we're up against, so we'll get the team analyzing this right away. Now take what you need and get moving.
Taking rifle ammo! Taking his handgun ammo!
Responders, made the key repairs. Great work so far.
Reloading real quick! Healing up here. Got some handgun. Taking some rifle ammo. Gonna reload.
Well done with the repairs. We should start seeing an improvement soon.
Taking rifle ammo, y'all! Reloading this. Nothing! I'm reloading this time enough to zap myself with these fuses!
Fix the wire.
That's enough! Gonna reload.
You made the repairs. Almost there. You should see things returning to normal once the systems are restarted.
I'm out.
Extraction has touched down. Responders, proceed to the helicopter immediately.
He's there. Get to the helicopter.
Bingo on him. Finished. Bingo on ammo. Get me some cover. Reloading. No ammo.
Gotta load this
Fuck.
up.
I'm out of ammo.
And every responder made it. Get him home, Bravo. We're bringing out the good rations tonight.
Exfiltration was a success. Bravo, return to base.